a promising development in the battle against HIV. Scientists in this Philadelphia laboratory have altered the immune system of patients to make them resistant to the virus. The improvements were temporary, so Jay Johnson still needs to take daily medication to keep the virus in check, but he's delighted to have been part of the trial.
It makes me want to shout out to the world that, you know, there could be an end to this.
HIV attacks the immune system by locking onto proteins that poke up from the surface of white blood cells. About 1 in 100 people lack that surface protein, so they're naturally resistant to HIV. The scientists modified the DNA of the patient's immune cells to mimic that rare mutation, so the virus couldn't latch on. The cells were multiplied and re-injected into 12 patients. 6 patients stopped taking their medication. In 4, the levels of HIV decreased, and in 1 patient it fell to undetectable levels.
What we're looking at is not only a potential new therapy for HIV that still needs some time for development, but this is the first time this type of gene editing has been used in humans. So it can be applicable to many other diseases, genetic diseases, and so forth.
Improved drug treatments for HIV have transformed the outlook for people like Gary Bruff, who nearly died from AIDS 17 years ago.
There's literally no need for AIDS at all today. If HIV is diagnosed early and treatment's available, then AIDS is a non-event.
This is a long way from being a usable treatment, and it would be hugely expensive. But this small trial in the New England Journal of Medicine may point the way to research which can boost the health of those living with HIV. Fergus Walsh, BBC News.